Hi friends!
Welcome to Cornwall, Ontario, a city rich in history and charm. Nestled on the banks of the beautiful St. Lawrence River, Cornwall has a story that stretches back centuries. Originally inhabited by the indigenous peoples of the region, it later became a vital hub for fur traders and settlers. Fast forward to the 19th century, and Cornwall blossomed into a bustling industrial center, thanks to its strategic location and access to waterways. Factories and mills dotted the landscape, shaping the city's identity and providing livelihoods for generations. Today, Cornwall has evolved into a vibrant community, blending its historic past with modern amenities. From its quaint downtown streets to its scenic waterfront parks, there's something here for everyone to enjoy.
Thank you very much.
St. Columban Catholic Church is a beloved landmark in Cornwall founded in 1829. The first church, a modest structure, stood proudly on 4th Street, with Father James Bennett as its first resident priest in 1834. Fast forward to 1864, and a new cornerstone was laid for the second church by Bishop E. J. Horan. This came after the original church was tragically destroyed by a fierce gale. Determined to rebuild, the parishioners embarked on a journey to create a new sanctuary for their community. Finally, in 1896, ground was broken for the construction of the third and current church. With a growing congregation, the decision was made to build a larger church. Completed at a cost of $47,500, this beautiful church has stood the test of time, serving approximately 2,000 families with open arms. One of the enduring symbols of St. Columban's is its bells. The first bell, blessed in 1844 and named Mary Christine, still graces the church's front lawn today. The second bell, christened in 1902 by Bishop Alexander MacDonald, is a magnificent piece cast in Belgium, weighing over 6,000 pounds with its wheel and attachments. Welcome to St. John's Presbyterian Church, a place where faith comes alive and community thrives in Cornwall. In 1787, amidst the early days of Cornwall, a small band of believers gathered under the guidance of Reverend John Bethune of Williamstown. From this humble beginning emerged a congregation rooted in the Reformed Presbyterian tradition. In 1888–89, under the leadership of Reverend Dr. Neil Macnish, St. John's erected its current building on 2nd Street East. This impressive structure, crafted from locally quarried limestone, stands as a symbol of faith and determination. Throughout its history, St. John's has been blessed with faithful leaders who have labored tirelessly for the cause of Christ. From Reverend Urquhart to Reverend Macnish and beyond, their legacy lives on in the strong foundation they built for future generations. Welcome to the Glens Association Cornwall Armory, a proud symbol of history and service in Cornwall. Constructed between 1938 and 1939, the Cornwall Armory stands as a testament to Canada's militia during the period between the First and Second World Wars. Its Tudor Revival style, with a dominant crenellated frontispiece, evokes a sense of strength and tradition. In 1996, the Cornwall Armory was rightfully recognized as a federal heritage building, thanks to its historical associations, architectural charm, and environmental value. Welcome to the Co-Cathedral of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Back in the mid-19th century, Cornwall experienced a period of rapid industrial growth, drawing in workers and tradesmen from Quebec. This influx led to a significant increase in the city's French Catholic community. Recognizing the need to serve the spiritual needs of this growing community, Father J.J. Kelly answered the call. From 1884 to 1887, he worked tirelessly to organize a French parish dedicated to the Blessed Virgin Mary, laying the foundation for what would become the Co-Cathedral of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary. In a significant milestone in 1976, the church was elevated to the status of Co-Cathedral, alongside St. Finan Cathedral in Alexandria. This recognition underscored the importance of the Co-Cathedral of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary as a spiritual center for the faithful in Cornwall and beyond. St. Lawrence College is situated on the picturesque shores of the St. Lawrence River. Here, education meets relaxation, with stunning river views and outdoor study spots. With these modern facilities, the college offers a world-class education with a personal touch, blending the best of both worlds. Laro Park is a green oasis nestled along the banks of the majestic St. Lawrence River in Cornwall, Ontario. Stretching over 30 acres, Laro Park is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With its lush greenery, winding pathways, and stunning river views, it's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Keep an eye out for the park's iconic clock tower, a historic landmark that stands tall against the backdrop of blue skies and fluffy clouds. It's a symbol of Cornwall's rich heritage and a popular spot for photos and gatherings. Marina 200, the hub of boating activity on the Cornwall waterfront, is located east of the Cornwall Civic Complex. It's a first-class facility with a capacity of 160 boats and the perfect place to explore the beauty of the St. Lawrence River.
Thanks for watching!